Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today, I'm going to share with y'all one of my favorite cornbread recipes that I love since my childhood. My grandmother used to make it all the time, and it'll be perfect for New Year's to go along with your greens and black-eyed peas. We're going to make hot water cornbread, and cornbread represents gold in the new year. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and we're going to fry them to golden perfection. Crispy on the outside, fluffy and tender inside. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these, and you'll be in heaven once you taste them. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more cornbread recipes, check out my cornbread recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Collard Greens. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your cornmeal, your hot water, and get your oil heating up, sugar, because we're about to fry some hot water cornbread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our dry ingredients. We need 1.5 cups of yellow cornmeal. So we're going to start with my 1 cup measurement. Voila, perfect cup. And we're going to pour it into my large bowl. Now we need 1/2 cup. And a perfect 1/2 cup. So that's our 1.5 cups of yellow cornmeal. Now we need 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. So we're going to use my 1/2 cup measurement and fluff it up. And using my butter knife, we're going to level it off. Voila, perfect 1/2 cup. Into our flour and cornmeal, we're going to add in our levelings. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of table salt. And whisk all these together until they're well incorporated. In my original recipe, I used self-rising flour and self-rising yellow cornmeal mix. You can use that too, just omit the baking powder and salt. Okie dokie, dry ingredients are done. Now we're going to set them aside. Let's boil up some water. Over here on my stove top, I have my medium saucepan and my fire is on high heat. We're going to add in 1.5 cups of water and 1/4 cup, which is 1/2 stick or 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. It's going to give it a nice buttery flavor. And all we do is bring it to a boil. All right, my friends, the butter and water has came to a boil. So now I'm going to cut the heat off. We're going to pour it into our dry ingredients. But before we do, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of pure honey to give our cornbread a little sweetness. And be careful not to add too much, otherwise it'll be loose. You want to get it to a certain consistency so it can hold its shape. Stir that in. Going to add a little bit more. Alright, there we go. Got it to the right consistency. Keep on mixing until it's well incorporated. And as soon as I get through mixing my batter, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through mixing up my batter. It's nice and stiff. We are ready to form them into patties. Using my spoon, we're going to take about a tablespoon or 2 of the batter. And using the palm of my hand, we're just going to flatten it like a pancake. Just like that. And we're going to place it onto my 9 by 13 inch baking pan that I lined with wax paper. So now I'm going to finish the rest. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I've got all my cornbread patties together. We are ready to fry them. Let's heat up some oil. I have my cast iron skillet on my stove top and my fire is on medium heat. We're going to add in some oil. I'm using canola, or you can use vegetable, corn oil, whatever your heart desire. Just let it get hot, and as soon as it gets hot, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the oil is nice and hot. Now we're going to gently place the cornbread patties into it, like so. Oh yes, you see that sizzle and bubbles? That's what you want. And be careful not to overcrowd the pan, otherwise the temperature of the oil will go down. I'm just going to put 3 in. And they don't take long to fry. Going to fry them for about 2 minutes. Alright, my friends, it's been 2 minutes. Time to flip it on the other side. Gorgeous! Nice and golden brown. Now we're going to fry them on the other side for another 2 minutes. Alright, my friends, I am through frying my first batch of cornbread patties. And look how nice and golden brown they are. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. And I drained them on my pan lined with paper towels to drain the grease. So now I'm going to finish frying the rest of my cornbread patties, plate them up, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Hot water cornbread, completely from scratch. Don't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. Look at that texture. Fluffy, crispy. I love that little sweetness from the honey. It's nice and buttery, perfectly cooked. This soul sister can fry her some hot water cornbread. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Hot water cornbread, delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and Happy New Year.